Today I'll be showing you how to make a shop, part 1. So we're going to go to Starter GUI, of course, and add a screen GUI. In the screen GUI, we're going to want to insert an image button or a text button. I'm just going to do an image button, right? This is going to be for a shop. And then we're going to go onto Google and just type shop PNG. Just type shop PNG in, image, and then something like this should come up, right? And we're just going to save it. We're just going to save the image, right? Save. Let's hit save. Perfect. And now we're going to change the image to that image. Okay, that sounds so weird, but we're going to go like this. Oh, wait, not hover image, sorry. Image, add image, choose file. We're going to choose the exact same file we just downloaded. So let's go to our downloads. Where'd it go? Is it in documents? Where did it go? Okay, let's download this one more time. Save image. It's in downloads. Let's put it in documents, I guess. Right, so we're just going to choose file. Where'd it go? Well, I don't really know. I can't find it right now, but you're just gonna get the image. You're gonna get an image of the shop. Well, I'm just gonna get this. I'll just get a black image for now because I don't really have anything else to use there. So just a plain blank image for now because that's all I have. And then in Screen GUI, we're gonna want to add a frame, and this is gonna be our shop. So when you open it, this is what comes up, right? I'll probably make it like this and then that. That's probably good. Well, it depends how many things are in it. So if there's a lot of stuff, then do this. We're going to add a text label, right, like that. Oh, wait, like that. Write shop in it. Make it text scaled. And then make background transparency 1 or higher than 1. So like that. Perfect. And now we're going to want to insert in frame. We're going to want to insert a scrolling frame. Perfect. And we're going to want to make this the exact size. And then background transparency. There. Perfect. So now we have our little scrolling frame. We can probably make the color. I want to make it like red. Like that. Yeah, that's probably good. Or whatever color you want it to be. I'm going to do yellow because I don't know. Yellow probably looks cool. There. Right, and then we're going to want to insert one more thing into frame, and this is going to be the X. So we're going to add a text button. It's going to be the X that X's out of things. Text button, right? We're just going to type X. Right? We're going to want to make that smaller. So like this big probably. Yeah, that's probably good. Text color black, and then background color red. Boom. You can also do, if you want, the text scaled, so it looks like, yeah, better. So yeah, this is all you really want, and we're going to make sure the frame is not visible, like this. We can turn it off just by doing invisible, and we're going to make sure it's off. Perfect. So now, the image button, we're going to add a local script. Actually, just so we know which one's which, let's just rename it, and we're going to want to rename that open/shop. So we know that this is the open. We're going to want to insert a local script and type this script right here. Script parent dot mouse button 1 down colon connect function bracket. Right, so when we do this, we're going to go down a line. It usually will show end right here, but right now it doesn't. So I'm going to type script. Oh yeah, by the way, that's completely fine. Totally fine. So script dot parent Sorry about that, guys. My mic just disconnected. But we're going to do script.parent.frame.visible equals true. And then we're going to write end with that. Perfect. Now what we're going to want to do is copy this. Control C. Go to our text button that is in this. The close one. Insert a local script. And paste it in. But you're going to want to change this true to false. And you're going to want to take out frame. So it's just parent visible. And yeah, that's it for today. That's it. I'll show you the finished product, I guess I could say. Alright, you load in. Oh, there's a shop. Oh, opened. Oh, closed. And you can scroll with this. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Tomorrow I'll be showing you, well, next video I'll be showing you how to add things into your shop. So you click on it and you can like get Robux for it, like if you want to buy it for Robux or whatever. So yeah, see ya. Bye.